Welcome to YouTube for WordPress, the best and most powerful all-in-one YouTube solution for WordPress sites. In this tutorial, we'll be going through the initial setup process together. Let's begin by clicking Settings. First, we'll need to create a new Google project and generate our authentication keys. At the top of the settings page, click the Google Developer Console button. Once loaded, click Create Project. Give your project a name. YouTube for WordPress works well. Leave the project ID as is and click Create. Wait a few seconds while your project is created. In the left-hand menu, click on APIs and Auth. In the submenu, select Consent Screen. On the consent screen, select your email from the drop-down and enter YouTube for WordPress plugin into the product name field. After you're done, scroll down and click Save. Next, in the left-hand menu, select APIs. Turn off all of the APIs enabled by default. And at the top, search for YouTube. Turn on both the YouTube Data and YouTube Analytics APIs. Accept the terms of service if presented. Finally, we'll generate the required OAuth and API keys. Click on Credentials. On the Credentials screen, click Create a new client ID and select Web Application. Click back to your site and select YouTube for WordPress in the left-hand menu. Copy the URL from this page and paste it into the JavaScript Origins field in the Developer Console and remove everything after .com. Now, paste the full URL into the Redirect URI field, then click Create Client ID. Once your auth keys are generated, click Create New Key below Public API Access. Select Browser Key. Leave the field blank and click Create. Now we need to enter the keys into the appropriate fields on the plugin settings page. Copy the client ID and paste that into the client ID field on the settings page. Next, you'll copy the client secret and paste that into the client secret field. Finally, copy the API key and paste it into the API key field. If you believe a key was entered incorrectly, you can toggle its visibility by clicking the small icon to the right of the field. When satisfied, scroll down and click Save Settings. Head back over to the main YouTube for WordPress screen. You should be presented with an Authorize Now button. Click it and follow the on-screen directions. When completed, you'll be fully authenticated and have unrestricted access to your YouTube account. That's all for now. If you run into issues, please get in contact with our support team. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy YouTube for WordPress.